Hello everyone, you are welcome to Planet One TV station, the #1 educational TV station. So today we are going to teach you how to do it yourself, repair an electrical iron, a faulty steam iron. So I am going to show you one of the iron that we are going to work on right now, and it's actually a steam iron, and this iron has worked and has served for a very long time now, and it suddenly developed a fault. So that fault is what we are going to troubleshoot today, and we are going to carry out fault finding that will enable us to look into what the major fault may be as to why the iron could not work. So the iron is actually a Panasonic iron, and it's a kind of professional iron that is used to press iron, and it is mostly used by laundrymen to do their laundry services. So this iron you're seeing right now suddenly developed a fault. So I will be showing you how to troubleshoot, how to go ahead fixing it by yourself if you can, but if you cannot, you can still call the services of a repairman or so. But it's not really hard to fix up this iron. If you follow through this video, I will show you how I managed to repair this very iron. Well, if you are new to this station, please kindly like, subscribe to our channel so that whenever we release videos, you be the first to get it. To start, we have a multimeter here, a digital multimeter. I will be producing a separate video that will teach you how to make use of this multimeter to test fault in an electrical component or any electronic component that is faulty. So that is one of the major tools that is going to help us to troubleshoot and fix this Panasonic steam iron. So first thing we need to do is to remove the head cap and reveal the fuse. We are going to use the meter to test the fuse. Now we are getting the reading from the fuse, and it is indicative that the fuse is okay. It's very well okay. As you can see, that means the fuse has no fault. So whenever you see the meter read, that means that particular fuse is okay. Next, we are going to pick up our Allen key and open up the back of the iron. That is where the work is being started. So you open the back. After opening it, then you try to pull out the case, the back casing. So we have about 4 screws at the back here. You just look closely. 3 bolts are just down, and one is just up there, so you just have to take that out. The next thing we need to do is to open up the handle here. After opening it up, there's only one screw that you find on the handle at the back side of it. We open it up. Then at the top, we see there is the screw which I've already removed. Down there, we have about 3 screws in front there. After which you just pop it out. Down, you've taken out the water tank. After the water tank, you now see the inner part that we will have to open to get into the main engine itself, which really houses the steam iron. And so next we have to take out those. There are about 4 screws there, 2 at the back and 2 in the front there. So we try to take those screws out. After you've taken that out, you see you can easily take the part out. Inside it will reveal the elements. So we're going to be troubleshooting the thermostat. So we're going to test the thermostat and see if it is the reason why we have that faulty iron. So if you obtain reading on the meter, that means the thermostat is working perfectly. So we are actually testing for the thermostat right now. If there is no reading, that means the thermostat is bad. So we see we have readings down there. That means the thermostat is okay. So the next thing we need to look at, if you look behind there, we have about 2 8-amps fuses. Down that is the first fuse there, and that the other is the second fuse. So you have to test the first fuse. So if you obtain reading from that first fuse, that means the fuse is okay. That is, say now we have readings on that first fuse. Next we have to take readings on the second fuse. Okay, now you see there is no reading. That means that second fuse is faulty, and that is what is making our iron not to work. So what we are going to do about it is to replace the fuse. So that means in those 2 fuses there, 1 fuse is bad, so we have to replace it. So if you have nowhere to find that fuse, what you simply do is pick up a wire and then bridge the fuse. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm actually trying to bridge the fuse. I've linked up a wire from the end to the other end. So now I'm trying to let it up. So you have to let it up and make sure your work is being done neatly to avoid any electrical shock. After you've done all of that, just go ahead and couple the iron, couple it up, and then test it. Right now the coupling work is done and we are test running the iron. As you can see, it is working perfectly. So that is how you troubleshoot and fix a faulty iron. If you have learned something today, give the video a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, and as well share. Thank you for watching. That's a very nice video. Okay, I've seen that you've learned something for today. Well, if you want to receive same of our videos on different electrical repairs or electronic repairs, kindly like and subscribe so that whenever I upload a video like this, you be the first to receive it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time.